వెల్కమ్ టు డాక్టర్ ఎస్ఎస్ఓ టెక్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఫార్మకాలజీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈ వీడియోస్ ద్వారా చెప్పబడుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ డెఫినేషన్, హిస్టారికల్ ప్రాస్పెక్టివ్స్ మీకు ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో ఉన్నాయి. ఆ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ కూడా ఈ వీడియోలో ఇస్తాము. ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు బ్రాంచెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మకాలజీ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ స్కోప్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మకాలజీ ఉంటుంది. ఇదంతా కూడా మీకు కొత్త పీసీఐ సిలబస్ ద్వారా చెప్పబడుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Discuss branches of pharmacology. Branches of pharmacology. Pharmacology is divided into several branches based on what aspect of drugs is being studied, their effects, movement, uses, and safety. The main branches of general pharmacology are pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, which focus respectively on what the body does to a drug and what the drug does to the body. Pharmacodynamic study of what the drug does to the body includes mechanism of action drug, receptor interaction dose, response relationship. Pharmacokinetic study of what the body does to the drug includes ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion. Additional key branches introduced in general pharmacology include toxicology, pharmacotherapeutics, and pharmacogenetics, molecular pharmacology, pharmacogenomics, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical chemistry, medicinal chemistry, biopharmaceutics. Clinical pharmacology study of drugs in humans. Patients focus on therapeutic use, clinical trials, adverse effects. Toxicology study of harmful effects of drugs and chemicals, deals with poisoning, overdose, safety limits. Pharmacotherapeutic study of use of drugs in treatment of diseases, helps in drug selection, dosage regimen, rational therapy. Molecular pharmacology study of drug action at molecular and genetic level, focus on receptors, enzymes, gene expression. Pharmacogenomics study of how genes affect drug response, important for personalized medicine. Pharmacognosy study of drugs obtained from natural sources. Sources include plants, animals, minerals. Pharmaceutical chemistry, medicinal chemistry study of chemical structure and properties of drugs, helps in drug design, drug synthesis. Biopharmaceutics study of drug formulation and bioavailability, focus on drug absorption, dosage forms. Here a remembrance table for exam. Discuss scope of pharmacology. The scope of pharmacology theoretical aspect deals with the scientific study of drugs, their origin, properties, mechanisms, effects, and uses in living systems. It forms the foundation for understanding drug action and safe therapeutic application. Here aspects and description given clearly. The scope of pharmacology includes study of drugs obtained from natural plants, animals, minerals, and synthetic sources. Understanding structure, solubility, stability, and compatibility of drugs, how drugs act on receptors, enzymes, ion channels, and biological systems, movement of drugs in the body, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, ADME, effects of drugs on the body and dose, response relationships, indications, and clinical applications of drugs in disease treatment, side effects, drug toxicity, and drug interactions, dose calculation, routes of administration, dosage forms, interaction between drugs or with food affecting drug action, study of harmful effects and management of poisoning, principles of clinical trials and drug evaluation in humans, concepts like pharmacogenomics, biotechnology, and targeted drug delivery.
These are the expected questions for 5 marks and 10 marks from Introduction to Pharmacology, where definition of pharmacology, historical perspectives, branches of pharmacology, and scope of pharmacology. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and stay curious, and click bell icon for more updates. Thank you.